ONYXX review and free giveaway. That's right, you can win a free copy of my newest traffic software, ONYXX. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my ONYXX review and free giveaway. So if you want to win a free copy, please stick with me until the end of this video. I'm going to show you how to enter the giveaway, but first of all let me tell you what ONYXX is and what it does. Okay, so in a nutshell, it is a traffic software. It creates videos and then it ranks these videos for you instantly using the power of YouTube live video. Okay, so when I'm talking about creating videos, you don't have to record your voice, do any voiceovers or any of it. You will be creating simple videos automatically. Okay, so let me share my screen, let me show you exactly how this works. And as you can see, I'm on the sales page right here. It's still under construction, so check it out once we are live on July 18th at 9 AM Eastern. But it will say ONYXX, tired of waiting forever for results online. New app creates commission extractors that get you free traffic and sales within minutes. No paid ads, no spamming social media, no BS. Okay, so guys, check all of this out. Again, once it's live, let me show you the inside of the members area. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I'm not going to be going through all of it because this is an 8-in-1 software, so I will include a full demo both on my YouTube channel and on my blog as always. Right now I just wanted to show you how easy it is to create a video and then how easy it is to actually rank it. Okay, so first of all, let's click on image video creator. Let's click on create a custom video, and all you have to do is add a title right here. So title, then what we have to do is just add images. Okay, so these images can be any images from our computer. So let me just find a couple of images right here, and then we can also do Pixabay image search, which are free stock images. Okay, so you don't even have to have any images to actually use this. So let me type in some keyword right here, and right now we can add any images that we want. Okay, so we can add just a couple, or we can add 100 if we want to. It's totally up to us. So once you are done, we are clicking just done and okay. Now we can also add an audio, or we can add a voiceover or whatever else we want. So let me just add some audio right here. So let me just add some music for the purpose of this video. Then let's click on create a video, and that's essentially it. Our video will be ready in a matter of minutes. Okay, so it takes 1 to 2 minutes for it to actually render. So as you can see, it says custom video success. Your video will be generated shortly. Please wait. So it's already 20% done. As you can see, we have all of these videos already done. So all we have to do is just click right here, and we can just download it and then upload it to YouTube. Okay, so as you can see, this is how the video looks like. Going back right here. So again, I'm not going to be going through all of the options right here. We have video analysis, product sentiment analysis. You can look up products and all the stats from ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus. We have an image editor, which means that you can create images or edit images for your videos or for thumbnails or for anything else. And right now let's click on YouTube event, because this is how you actually add your video to YouTube and how you rank it, because any live video instantly rank on the top spots in YouTube, and that's how you get all the traffic. Okay, so any keyword you will put in, you will instantly go to the first positions inside Google. Okay, so as you can see, this is 3 simple steps. All we have to do is that the data, so test, description, and then video tags. Let's click on next, and then schedule settings. So we would have to add our channel right here. Okay, so I don't have the channel added to this ONYXX account, but we would just pick the channel, pick the category, select time frame and time zone, click on next, and then go through video configuration. All we have to do is just press one button, and then video goes instantly to the top spots on YouTube, because again, YouTube loves live video, and this is how we're gonna get all the traffic. And it doesn't really matter if you have an old YouTube channel, a brand new YouTube channel. It doesn't matter what niche you're in, what kind of keywords you're targeting. Even if your keywords are super competitive, you'll go instantly to the top spots on YouTube, because any live video instantly goes to the top position in YouTube. Okay, so guys, this is how you get all the traffic. As you can see, all of this can be set up in a matter of minutes. And again, I just showed you 2 options out of a total of 8 when it comes to ONYXX modules. Okay, so guys, before I'm going to tell you how to enter the giveaway, let me show you all of the upsells we have as well. Okay, so ONYXX will be $17 as the early bird discount, so make sure to show up early on July 18th at 9 a.m. Eastern. Now we will have a few one-time offers. So upgrade number 1 is ONYXX Advanced. That's unlimited video creation. You can create videos with more than 400 words. You can record your own audio. This is multilingual. You can add bookmarks, logos, and much more. ONYXX Expert, this is rebranding existing videos. This will include a video editor. You can add intros, outros, lowered third images, logo, watermarks, etc. And you're also going to get done for you campaigns. Next up we have done for you. So this will include a massive done for you pack with evergreen affiliate campaigns, automated campaigns, CPA campaigns, social media promos, email campaigns, and engagement posts, squeeze pages, done for you stock music, and done for you images. Next up we have the reseller's license. So this is actually a reseller to a total of 6 products, so not just ONYXX, but ONYXX plus 5 more. Next up we have our 6-figure training. So this will include free modules on Instagram traffic, Google AdWords traffic, and product creation. Okay, so that's if you want to make 6 figures. And last up we have ONYXX case studies, additional 8 case studies on how to make money online. Guys, OTOs are always optional and you'll be fine with the main version of ONYXX alone, but you can definitely make your life easier with one of these upgrades. Now guys, if you are watching on YouTube right now and you do want to enter the giveaway, you have to do 4 things. Okay, so first of all, like this video, then leave me a comment. This can be anything, then subscribe to this channel, and then the final step is clicking the link in the description and going to the registration page for the live free training and giveaway. Okay, so I'm actually going to be giving away free copies of ONYXX live. Okay, so you do have to show up live to this free presentation, and it will be on Saturday, July 18th at 9 a.m. Eastern. So exactly when ONYXX goes live, this is where I'm going to be doing this live presentation. I'm actually going to show how to generate free traffic as well, so you can actually show up to the presentation if you are interested in free traffic. And I'm also again going to be giving away free copies of ONYXX live. So I'm only going to be picking the people that entered the giveaway. So to enter the giveaway, again, you have to like this video on YouTube right now, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment. And I'm going to take the totality of the people that will actually do these 4 things, and 10% will be winners. So if we're gonna have 100 people doing these 4 things, so again, like, comment, subscribe, and subscribe to this live training page, 10% will be winners, which means that 10 people out of 100 will win a free copy of ONYXX. Okay, so again, here on this registration page, you're gonna have to enter your first name, last name, and your email address. Okay, so again, do these 4 things if you want to win a free copy of ONYXX. And even if you won't win, we have a huge early bird, so make sure to show up to the sales page or to the live training July 18th at 9 a.m. Eastern. Make sure to keep an eye on your inbox as well. We're gonna have some cool additional giveaways and coupons, etc. So right now I hope to see you during the live call, and I wish you the best of luck for the giveaway. Ciao, see ya.